Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Betway mobile application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to get your Betway application downloaded on Android, go and tap open your web browser. In the search box that appears at the top, search for Betway app download and search. Go to the first link that you see that says download our Android app Betway. You can also type in betway.com, and once you tap on that link, you'll be able to end up in this page. Tap on the download button that you can see right under download our Android app in order to get it downloaded on your Android device. Now click the OK button in the pop-up and you are now downloading APK file for your Betway app. Click on the open button and click on install in order to install the application on your Android device. Once you download the application and it is ready for use, tap on the open button popping up in the display. That is how you can easily download Betway application on your Android device and get started using it. Betway is a global online gambling company owned by Supergroup. Allow the app to access your device's location by tapping on Allow, and there you have the application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.